Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD against the Swiss franc. Then I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Swiss franc first. So what I found here on the higher time frames, like a daily, weekly time frame and a 4-hour time frame, is that there was a breakout happening yesterday to the downside of this very well defined trading range that lasted actually for about 3 to 4 weeks. And that's actually a very important breakout, because we can see now that market after the breakout went to retest this overnight, and that there is no power this morning for the market to go anything meaningful inside of this trading range. So for now market is breaking the equilibrium and is just near the equilibrium, basically just doing the retest. And from my perspective, there is a still chance for the lower prices for maybe this cluster that we made in 2021, 2022. And that cluster and support zone is set at 09100 level. So there is a still chance for the lower prices, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities towards this main downside objective in the support zone at 0.9100 mark. If we speak about the gold market, market is making higher highs and higher lows. The market, as alerted in the previous forecast, that we already reached the first objective at 1877, and the next objective will be at 1900 level for the gold. Now, the support zone for this for the gold is 1880 mark, and only if the market can trade above and hold above, then there is a chance for potential upside movement towards this 1900 mark. The support zone is tested the recent swing high, and this support zone here is set around 1866, 1867. So in case of this downside breakout, market can go into this kind of I call the gap area, and then do some kind of the pullback towards that zone. But for now, market is trading in a very well defined daily range here. And from my perspective, watch for the breakout to this above this resistance zone to confirm the further high prices. If we speak about the crude oil market, we got this break to the upside as alerted, and we almost reached actually the 76, 75, 77 area, like the upside objective, and then market sold off again into this consolidation. So market is now in a consolidation. There is an indecision there, and only if the crude oil can clear 73 mark and hold below actually 72.70 mark, then it can open the door for lower prices towards the 70 mark. So watch for that potential scenario for today. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market the price is trading above this key cluster. The market is building higher lows and higher highs. For this stage, we don't have any defined trend, so this can be just a pullback or so. I would like to see maybe more like equilibrium or something, and then that equilibrium can eventually lead towards this main 18,000 mark resistance zone. Otherwise, this can still go and do the pullback towards this the single prints or fair value gap. So at this point, I would like to see that market set up better, but resistance zone at 18,000 mark, and the key support zone at around 16,400 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.